Advocate Skeepers.
Chair, that was the only witness I had available for today. I cannot close my case at this stage due to the fact that I am of the view that a gender expert is necessary to testify. I agree that her summary was only provided to all the parties last week. The fact of the matter is it was a timeless procedure to identify someone that is able to testify on the specifics in this matter. I know Ms. Vetten is readily available, but I tried to find someone from the isiXhosa culture as well as from that area that is also a gender expert to assist us due to the fact that we had all these problems with the context and the isiXhosa translations and everything. That proved to be, I could not find anyone in that. So the fact of the matter is when Ms. Vetten was contacted, she indicated that she will assist. However, she would need remuneration. I immediately applied to the Secretariat or requested them what the procedure would be if a witness, especially an expert witness, would need finances for preparing and also to testify. They provided me with a procedure and then that cumbersome process took underway. Her approval for funds only came last week, Tuesday. The approval came through. She refused to start with her report before she knew that she will be paid for it. That is the reason why the report was not available. I have spoken to her this morning again. She promised that she will amend the summary as there's an objection to the summary not being suitable, or if there's not enough information in the summary, she will provide me with another summary, an amended summary tomorrow. I could not provide anything earlier due to the fact that the approval for her funds came through last week. It is my view also, it is in the interest of justice that she should be allowed to testify, as this is a complex matter, and I understand it was complex from the start, but as I indicated, I wanted someone from that culture to assist us. I could not identify anyone. And that is the reason why it is late. I understand it is late, but that is what is the process now.
Thank you. You said you cannot close your case. I don't know if you have a case to close as the leader of evidence. I don't know.